useful. This is one brave engine. He saved the day.
You see, Thomas? Like I said, one of the best inventions ever.
Maybe we won't be replaced after all.
Come on, guys. Let's get this finished. We're opening tonight.
Thank you. Now then, Rusty.
Yes, sir.
That's your badge.
Thank you, sir.
And Dusty.
Yes, sir.
That's your badge.
Thank you, sir.
Splendid. Now look at you both from your heads, your shoulders, to your knees and your toes, your eyes, your ears, your mouth, and your... Oh, dear me.
What's the matter, sir? What's wrong? Just, you've got a big bogey hanging out of your nose.
And that's why your neckerchief is green.
Yes, sir.
There we are. Well, apart from that, you are, I must say, spick and span from your head to your shoulders, to your knees, and your toes.
Oh, that reminds me of the song, sir.
Oh, jolly
yes,
good.
I think we do know a song about that. I think you all know a song about that.
And I'm sure that all the grown-ups...
Join in the actions, everybody. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. You can get on top now if you'd like to really join in. You can stand up and join in. Are we ready? Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. You are so good at this. I think we should all do it. Everybody join in. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. I love that song. It sounds like
Oh, my goodness me. I'm so exhausted. I think I need a lovely sit down and a nice, refreshing cup of bubble tea.
Oh, that sounds nice, sir. Yes, please. That would be lovely.
Not for you two.
Ah.
You've got plenty of work to be doing out here. We need this stage area sweeping nice and clean. I need lots of sweeping and not sleeping, lots of cleaning and not leaning. Now, if I leave Rusty and Dusty with you at the front, will you keep an eye on them? Will you make sure they do their jobs? Is that all right?
Yes,
There
we'll
we
clean the
are.
stage, sir. If the show, sir.
Get
Don't
going.
count on us, sir.
There we
You
are.
can count on
Very
us,
good.
sir.
I'll go and have my bubble tea.
Bye-bye.
See you later.
Bye-bye. Absolute. Is it gone? It's gone. Whoops. So, what's these? He's always ordering us about, isn't he, Dusty? Yeah.
Sweep the stage, ready for the show. I'm going for a bubble tea. You two do all the work.
Hey, he does this one as well, doesn't he?
Bubbling boilers.
Yeah, he's been saying that a lot recently, yeah, but he goes, well, there's
Bubbling boilers.
yeah, that's really good. Hey, what about this one? I don't want any confusion or delay.
Now that is classic Sir Topham, isn't it? But he goes, I don't want any confusion or delay.
Yeah, it's a bit more like this. Confusion and delay.
Yeah, and sometimes he says it like this. He says, I don't want any confusion or delay.
Because of the delay.
What's wrong? Who's behind us?
Who's behind us?
That's what Tom's behind now. He's
gone for a bubble tea.
He's on his break.
I think we better check behind us, Dusty, just to be sure.
We'll check.
There's nobody there. There's nobody there.
You're kidding us, right?
This way. That way. That way. Okay. What are you talking about?
No, I think you're joking.
Should we
Are you happy, sir?
Well, yes, I am happy.
You don't look it, sir.
How am I meant to look when I'm happy?
Well, you could try smiling for a start, sir. Oh.
Never mind.
Why don't you try clapping?
What do you mean like this?
Yeah, kind of. Everyone knows that when you're happy and you know it, you clap your hands, right?
Yeah, right.
Like this. Show set up on how it's done.
Oh, very good, very good. Ah, yes, but I bet you don't know what Thomas does when he's happy.
Oh, yes, I do, sir. Thomas has a whistle, and when he's happy, his whistle goes peep, peep.
Can you all peep peep?
Can you do a peep, peep?
Can you do a peep peep?
Should we do it all together?
Fantastic. Well done, everybody.
Now that's all well and good. Me clapping, Thomas peeping, but what about Nia?
Oh, Nia, so
What does Nia do?
when she's happy, she goes chug, chug like this.
Yeah, should we all try that? Are we ready?
Ready?
Chug, chug.
Well done, great.
Now, so that's me, yes, and Thomas, and Nia, and oh, hang on a minute, what about Percy?
Oh, well,
What does
sir.
Percy do?
Percy has a lucky bell, so when Percy's happy, he rings his bell like this. Ring,
Oh, yeah.
ring. Should we all try it now? Ring,
Ring,
ring. Wonderful.
Very good. So, now, you won't know this one. Kana.
I do, sir.
What does Kana do when Kana's happy?
When Kana is happy, because she's super speedy, she goes zoom, zoom, like that.
Should we try that? Are we ready? Zoom, zoom.
Well done.
Oh, and then if we were to put them all together.
Well, everyone could stand up and we could do a song, couldn't we,
Oh,
sir?
here we go, everybody up.
Great idea, Rusty. Everyone back on your feet
Here
if
we
you like
go.
to.
Sir Topham.
Okay, so when Sir Topham's happy and he knows it, he claps his hands. Are we ready? Here we go.
If you're Sir Topham and you're happy, clap your hands. If you're Sir Topham and you're happy, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're Thomas and you're happy, peep, 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 peep. If you're Thomas and you're happy, peep, 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 peep. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, peep, 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 peep. If you're near and you're happy, chug, 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 chug. If you're near and you're happy, chug, 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 chug. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, chug, 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 chug. If you're Percy and you're happy, ring your bell, ring, ring. If you're Percy and you're happy, ring your bell, ring, ring. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, ring your bell, ring, ring. If you're Kana and you're happy, zoom, 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 zoom. If you're Kana and you're happy, zoom, 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 zoom. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, zoom, 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 zoom.
That was very good. I really enjoyed that. We're all warmed up. The stage is ready. We're all warmed up and everybody's happy. So I think it's time to announce the most amazing thing you'll see all afternoon. The most incredible thing you'll see all Easter. The Rusty and Dusty Show!
Is it my song first? I'm not sure. I think it's my solo first.
Is it your solo first?
Me, la 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 la.
Get on with it.
Okay, sorry. I sure am feeling alive.
Oh, look at the time. Oh, I'm sorry to burst your bubble. But we haven't really got time for the show now, if I'm completely honest with you. We've got to get on.
Oh.
So
It's
sorry.
Sadder than that.
No milk.
Sir,
Yes, go on.
just to cheer Dusty up a little bit, could we have a bit of a dance?
Oh, yes, please, sir. I'd love to see everyone's best dance
If you
moves.
feel
Yes,
up
that
to
would
it,
be
you
good.
insist. Yes, I think it's time for a little
We
dance.
want to see your dance.
There's far too much energy down here.
Shall we start with the clap?
Get some of that energy out.
Oh, I've got a good one, sir. Can I show? Put
Come
mine
on,
first.
dance with
Ready?
Dusty.
Swap your knees around, everybody.
Swap your knees around.
What about you, sir?
Old school disco.
Awesome. Lovely. Oh, I think it's time to see your lovely moves now.
Oh yeah, let's see some dance
We'll
moves
copy
then.
off you.
Oh, what's this one? Oh, we've got this one. We've got the side to side. I can see a what's going on here. Oh, we're spinning and going on here.
Whoa. That's nice and complicated, that one.
Oh, we've got pirouettes. That looks very complicated.
Over here. Yeah. It's all very cardiovascular, isn't it? Should we do some clapping in a bit?
Maybe we should do some
Yeah, let's have a clapping break. Oh dear me.
Oh,
Thank you so much for coming past tonight, everybody. You've got some big clap.
And enjoy the rest of your fantabulous day with Thomas. And a big round of applause for